All right, YouTube, so we're going to learn how to do chicken tenders in the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so hit air fry. Time is 12 minutes. Temperature is 350. You're going to want to hit air fry, then start and let this warm up. All right, so you see it say add food. So just pull that out and put your tenders in there. All right, so our tenders are in there. And you see that it says open, push, and look, it'll start. So you want to do the chicken tenders for 12 minutes at 350. So 12 minutes at 350. See you at minute 5 or 6 when we have to turn the food. All right, YouTube, I missed it. So you see 4 minutes. You want to pull that out, and you want to get tongs, and you want to flip that. All right, so that's turned. Push it back in, and look, we have another 4 minutes and we're done. We have chicken tenders. All right, so it's counting down, and that's it. You have it. Look at that. Crispy chicken tenders. And there you have it, YouTube. Perfectly toasted, grilled chicken tenders.